Welcome back to Pivot Online, where we explore the most innovative ways to make money online in 2023. In today's video, we have an incredibly exciting topic to discuss. We'll show you how you can earn a whopping $158.72 daily. And the best part? It'll only take you 10 minutes of your time. Imagine the potential of earning between $30 to a staggering $158.72 through the incredible world of affiliate marketing. It's an opportunity that's not just lucrative, but also accessible to anyone willing to learn and put in a little effort. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets, strategies, and insider tips that can help you unlock this earning potential in the dynamic landscape of online income. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting your journey, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Stay tuned and get ready to transform your financial future with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic online business model where individuals promote products or services and, in return, earn a commission for every sale generated through their referral efforts. It's a powerful way to tap into the vast digital marketplace without the need to create your own products. We recommend a valuable platform, Digistore24, a leading affiliate marketplace to discover a wide array of products and services that you can effectively promote. With affiliate marketing, you can leverage your online presence to earn money, and in this journey, Digistore24 becomes your trusted ally. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this exciting world of affiliate marketing and unveil strategies for success. Digistore24. To get familiar with Digistore24 and harness its potential for affiliate marketing, begin by visiting the platform's website and creating your account. Once registered, navigate through the user-friendly dashboard to explore the myriad of products available for promotion. Use filters and search functions to refine your options based on your niche and target audience. Next, delve into each product's details, including its sales page, commission rate, and promotional materials. It's essential to choose products that align with your interests and expertise, ensuring you can authentically market them to your audience. After selecting a product or products to promote, obtain your unique affiliate links. These links are crucial as they track your referrals and ensure you receive commissions for successful sales. Customize these links for a personalized touch. Now strategize your marketing approach. Create compelling content, such as blog posts, videos, or social media campaigns, and incorporate your affiliate links strategically. Engage with your audience by providing valuable information and addressing their pain points to increase conversion rates. Speaking of links, link shortening is a valuable technique in affiliate marketing. By utilizing link shorteners such as bit.ly or cut.li, you can transform long, complex affiliate links into concise, visually appealing ones. These shortened links are not only more user-friendly, but also look cleaner and more enticing. Additionally, they can help track click-through rates and gather valuable analytics data, enabling you to refine your marketing strategies. In a world where brevity and aesthetics matter, link shortening simplifies the process and increases the likelihood of users clicking on your affiliate links, potentially boosting your earnings. Regularly monitor your Digistore24 dashboard for real-time statistics on clicks, conversions, and earnings. This data will help you refine your strategies and focus on what's working best for you. But wait, seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money. Marketing strategy through YouTube. Thumbnails using Canva. Creating compelling YouTube thumbnails is a crucial aspect of video marketing, and you can achieve this easily using Canva, a user-friendly graphic design tool. The key is to craft thumbnails that not only grab viewers' attention but also align seamlessly with the product you're promoting. Start by selecting a thumbnail template in Canva that suits your video's theme. Then, personalize it to make it relevant to the specific product you're endorsing. Incorporate compelling visuals, text, and colors that resonate with your target audience. For instance, if you're promoting a fitness product, feature vibrant images of the product in action or happy, healthy individuals benefiting from it. It's essential to maintain consistency across your video thumbnails to establish brand recognition. However, each video should still have a unique thumbnail that encapsulates the essence of that particular content. This distinctiveness aids in distinguishing one video from another in your channel, making it easier for viewers to identify and engage with your content. Remember, a well-designed thumbnail can significantly impact your click-through rate and viewer engagement, ultimately boosting your affiliate marketing success. So invest time and effort in creating eye-catching, customized thumbnails that resonate with your audience and effectively showcase the products you're promoting. Video optimization. Video optimization plays a pivotal role in the success of your affiliate marketing efforts. One key aspect is crafting an engaging video description that not only provides valuable information but also includes your affiliate link and pertinent details about the product you're endorsing. Start by composing a concise yet informative description that outlines the product's benefits and features. Highlight what sets it apart and why viewers should consider it. Ensure you weave in your unique affiliate link seamlessly within the description. Make it clear that by clicking on the link, viewers can access the product or service directly, which can encourage more click-throughs and potential conversions. Additionally, incorporating relevant hashtags can significantly enhance the discoverability of your video. Research popular and niche-specific hashtags related to your content and the affiliate product. These hashtags can attract a broader audience and increase the likelihood of your video appearing in search results and recommendations. Remember to strike a balance between informative content and promotion within your video description. Be transparent about your affiliate relationship and provide viewers with genuine insights to build trust. By optimizing your video description with affiliate links and hashtags, you can enhance your video's visibility and increase your chances of driving conversions. Playlist strategy. Playlist strategy is a savvy approach to boost the visibility of your affiliate marketing content on YouTube. To implement this strategy effectively, start by creating a dedicated playlist for the product you're promoting. This not only organizes your content, but also provides viewers with a focused experience. To enhance the playlist's effectiveness, add other high-viewed videos that are closely related to the same topic. These could be tutorials, reviews, or informative content that complements the affiliate product. By including popular videos from other creators, you tap into their existing viewership and piggyback on their success to gain more exposure for your own videos. This strategy can significantly increase your video's visibility and reach a broader audience. Viewers who engage with the popular videos within your playlist are more likely to discover your content, thus increasing the chances of them clicking on your affiliate links and making a purchase. Ultimately, a well-structured playlist strategy not only boosts your affiliate marketing efforts, but also provides a more engaging and informative experience for your viewers. Just a simple reminder that we strongly advise approaching any online money-making method with a healthy dose of caution and skepticism. Success in affiliate marketing, as in any endeavor, hinges on a multitude of factors, including your dedication, strategy, and market conditions, and it is by no means guaranteed. Individual results may vary, and it's essential to conduct thorough research, seek reputable sources, and carefully consider your financial decisions. Always be mindful of potential risks, invest responsibly, and remember that sustainable financial success typically requires time, effort, and continuous learning. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.